What's going on over there?
Nah, you don't want to see that.
Oh, what do we got? What do we got? Welding without a ground? No.
No. The ground holding the vice.
Oh, yeah, you're good.
Holding the plate in.
Yeah, you're good. That's standard procedure.
I just need you to hold this plate.
Oh, yeah, no problem. Let me just do my part here. Tell me when to stop moving.
Right.
Oh, you're moving it away from the piece. How's that? Whoa, jeez.
Yeah, let me just get out the old 90 here.
Yeah, there we go. But no, now you just have to hold that and that. Wow. Doesn't look very good, does it?
Not really. It would be alright for a... Not like the vise is that straight.
Yeah, it's perfect. We just rebuilt it. Excellent work all the way around. Found these shocks upstairs, which I think were from my Nova at some point. And I'm going to try to make some shock mounts for the old shoebox here. So we have shocks on the front. And I apparently have about 8 people that want this engine, but no one has came to see it. So that's going pretty good.
This thing catches.
Tink, tink. Yep, quality machine work right here. Oh, look in the mirror.
Right.
Both of them.
Is it okay to pass or what? See, I think we need one on top.
We do. Oh, you're not through that yet?
Well, I was trying to go slow. I didn't get no panther piss.
Can't use that on that.
Some old snake oil. grab the oil can.
Okay. We should put some oil in this thing.
Right, it'd be nice. It wouldn't leak out.
Does it?
I don't know. I thought we tried it.
Oh, did we? Huh. Well, where's that WD-40 go? They just used for something. Oh yeah, I fixed the alternator with it, that's right.
I don't know if you fixed it.
I fixed it, because you said not to replace it.
Show up. I won't be able to weld it.
No, we just can't paint it. Alright, well, one shock mount.
You're a little off.
I'm not a little off, you drilled the hole. I measured it with my finger.
What?
I didn't know you wanted it in the middle, otherwise I would have measured to put it in the middle. Unbelievable.
Motherfucker. New pair of jeans.
Already? Damn. Come on. We've been back to work for half a day and already I've got to buy you new clothes.
This is ridiculous. I don't know why the jacket has to be right.
You put it there.
Oh.
My old Nova shocks didn't work out so well. Couldn't get the cross pin out without ruining the bushing. So, had to steal parts from my new shocks for the Model A frame. And you can see we're right on top of this project. Anyway, had to steal the bushings out of the rear shocks. It's a shame. But we're not working on that right now.
Cancel that project.
Cancel that project! And cancel this project.
Can't weld this side.
Oh well.
Done. Definitely can't. Weld it. It's all thin motor. You know, I stopped just fucking too short. Some bullshit.
Cutting one off.
He's fucking. You know what I'm saying?
No.
Huh?
I don't have a clue what you're saying.
You don't?
No, I don't. That's pretty typical. Yeah, you only need one side. You used a piece of, 16 gauge metal to make that out of.
Right. Well, we had limited stock in hand. I really wanted them done today.
I just wanted to mock it up and see if it would work. Well, today is the last day that this engine will be in this car. It's sold and it's going to Oregon. And I can't wait. This is the coolest looking engine I've ever had. And also the worst running one. Yep. One last cold start for good times and great memories, stuff like that. I mean, what more could you ask for other than a running engine that doesn't need rebuilt? Shut that off before I make it too hot to work on. And that's it. This engine will never run again in this car. Such a sad day. It's just never gonna look the same with that small block Chevy in there.
Oh, fuck. I don't know, let my hand get home. No, I should have before I started that.
Okay, one hose off.
What's in the spray bottle?
What spray bottle? I have no idea.
Is that soapy water?
Probably super clean or something like that.
Well, I should know when my hand feels all slippery. Yep, that's what it is.
Super clean? I need a rag so I can wipe this puddle down you left me. It's not. Now that I need to paint it again.
Hey, the neighbors are bringing home another trailer.
No way.
I'm telling you, right on the back. And yeah, take a look.
It's a sweet one too.
Because I was trying to talk to somebody and it didn't work. Yeah. Custom everything you could find. I got a bug I can't even get no one to come and look at.
Thought the guy was coming today.
Yeah. What time tomorrow? I texted him back. 10. Around 10. Never heard anything. I don't understand why people do that. It's like, I could care less if you don't want it. They don't tell me you're coming to look at the stupid thing.
Where'd you advertise it?
Craigslist.
You should put it on the...
I didn't want to mess with Volkswagen people though. Like, oh no, I thought someone might see it on Craigslist and share it on there. Well, I guess I'll have to put it.
What did you do? You dropping stuff?
Yep. Dropping stuff.
You're not keeping the radiator?
Nope.
So that's not the right one, right?
Hope not. I hope to never need a radiator with 2 outlets and inlets
Oh, that's
ever
true.
again.
That's not...
Well, that's not true, but at least in this car. No more Flathead.
Hurt. For a second.
There you go, Braxton.
Is that where we're setting up Braxton's part?
That one anyway, I don't know.
Go Braxton. Here's your fan. Oh, man.
It's this exhaust. Well,
I think the bell housing is too much weight.
well, the oil pan is hitting the cross member. It has to go up more. There you go. Yeah, there you go.
It should be close to being out. Do you have a ratchet strap over here? On the black ones I give you?
Probably in the
Come on.
truck. Yeah.
Can we like put this in?
Well, you're jammed up into the shocks and shit.
Am I?
Am I? Oh, there goes my...
I'm not. Can we get past it?
We're past everything. It's just the throttle linkage dragging on the fly or the bell housing. We're gonna have to let the car down, I think.
No, you got lots of lift. I tried to tell you that earlier. You said, nah. What the? Not a lift.
Oh, that's just
What is that? Making all that racket.
Whatever.
Get your hand out of there. Well, how far can I set the car down?
Well, you can't because it jacks.
Right.
Well, I'd say 4 inches. If we were back past the shocks and A-arms.
Well, I could let some air out of the bags.
Oh. Into the tranny.
Right.
That's a fucking long ways. It's a real situation we're in now.
We gotta get the tranny out first, I guess.
I don't even think letting it down will get us out.
Yeah.
You think?
Well, it'll be closer than it is right now.
But when it hit the thing?
I don't know.
Oh man.
Oh, where we got God, I'm sorry.
Oh, some heads. Don't go off the head. Man, unbelievable.
Can I turn this, or what do I need to kind of room to set it down?
I'd set it down before we fall off that thing. Boom! Just get it down to the ground, then we can wrestle with it. That's good. You gotta put it over there, or you just want to leave it on this thing?
I'll probably leave it like this. Unless he calls and says he's not coming for a month.